Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will demonstrate how to configure a product-wise stock report. To begin, navigate to the Reports and Queries section and open the Stock Query Report under the Stock Report category. Click on Configuration to create a new report and define an appropriate configuration name. Under the Print options, open Print Columns, where you will find a list of available columns. Select the checkboxes for the columns you wish to display in the report, primarily item name, opening stock, purchase, purchase return, sale, sale return, and closing stock. You can also rearrange the column order using the arrow keys. Under Totals section, you will find set of options according which totals can be displayed. Next, we will move to the Other Options 1 tab. Here, under the Item View section, select Item Order Wise from the list, and in the Item Sorting option, choose Item plus Size Wise. Once done, save the settings and click to create the report. In the generated report, you can clearly see the total stock available in the system for each size of every item. It displays details such as the opening stock, sales, purchases, and the current closing stock. Additionally, you can include the closing stock value from the Setup Columns Attributes section. When you search for it, you'll find two columns related to stock values. After enabling the options, save the changes. Press F5 and go to the CF Options section, where you'll find a rate list for opening and closing values. Select the rate type at which you want to view the closing stock value. Since we are using value 1 and value 2, set closing stock value 1 at purchase rate and closing stock value 2 based on the MRP. After making these selections, save the changes and refresh the report to view the updated results. You can now view the closing stock not only on a quantity basis, but also on a value basis.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.